Today's math challenge is square root of 2 plus square root of 8 whole raised to the power of n, that is equal to nth root of 100. Our task is to solve for n. Let's see how to handle the challenge. In the left hand side we have square root of 2 plus square root of 8. So square root of 8 we can write in terms of square root of 2, that is 2 root 2. We have root 2 plus root 8 we can write as 2 root 2 whole power n, that is equal to nth root of 100, that means 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. Root 2 plus 2 root 2, it gives 3 root 2 whole raised to the power of n, that is equal to 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. Now this left hand side, it is in the form of ab whole power m. We can write this as a power m times b power m. 3 root 2 whole raised to the power of n, we can write it as 3 raised to the power of n times root 2 raised to the power of n, that is equal to 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. And root 2 is nothing but 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And we have root 2 whole power n. So if you take whole power n here on both sides, then we will get 2 raised to the power of n by 2. So instead of root 2 whole raised to the power of n, we can write it as 2 raised to the power of n by 2. So 3 raised to the power of n times 2 raised to the power of n over 2, that is equal to 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. Now our n is in exponent. You have to use logarithm. That is the simplest way to find the value of n. So that's why I am taking log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, then you will get log of 3 raised to the power of n times 2 raised to the power of n over 2, that is equal to, on the right hand side what we have 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. So log of 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. The left hand side is in the form of log of a times b, isn't it? So it is in product form. So whenever you have product form, according to the logarithm property, we can write this as log a plus log b. Similarly, this we can write as log 3 raised to the power of n plus log 2 raised to the power of n over 2, that is equal to log of 100 raised to the power of 1 over n. Now this log 3 raised to the power of n and log 2 raised to the power of n over 2 and log 100 raised to the power of 1 over n, all the terms are in the form of log of a raised to the power of m. So we can write this as m times log a. So use that property here. The first term, it turns into n times log 3 plus the second term turns into n over 2 log 2. The right hand side term turns into 1 over n log 100. Now observe here 1 over n log 100. If you get rid of this n, then we can get only log 100 value. So that's why I am multiplying both sides by n to get rid of this right hand side n. So then we will get, here we get n power 2 log 3, and here also we get n power 2 over 2 log 2, that is equal to log 100. Log 100 we can write it as 10 raised to the power of 2, isn't it? Again it is in the form of log of a raised to the power of m. We can write this as m times log a. So we can write this as 2 times log 10, isn't it? 2 times log 10. And we know that log 10 the value is 1. So let's take, instead of 10 we can take 1. So the right hand side turns into 2. And left hand side we have n raised to the power of 2 and n raised to the power of 2. So let's take n raised to the power of 2 as common. So then we are left log 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2, that is equal to 2. Our goal is to find n value here. So let's take n power 2 equal to 2 over log 3 plus log 2 over 2. Let's take square root on both sides because our goal is to find n value. So let's take square root on both sides. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only n. So the n equal to square root of 2 over log 3 plus log 2 over 2. And we know that log 3 the value is 0.477 plus, and also we know that log 2 the value is 0.3010. If you take divided by 2, then you will get 0.1505. So let's write it here, 0.1505. After adding these two, 0.477 plus 0.1505, then you will get 0.6275. If you do cancel here, then you will get square root of 3.1872. Square root of 3.1872, the value is 1.7852. That's it.